Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories. Today we are going to look into yet another stream question, and this time we are looking into a data set of YouTube India. Now let me just show you the CSV file of YouTube. This CSV file is huge. It has got at least tens of thousands of records, and let me just show what kind of attributes we are going to fetch from this file. One is video ID, second is title, third one is channel title, fourth one is category ID, fifth one is publish time, views, likes, dislikes and comment count. And how we have modeled this data: under this YouTube stats we have video ID, same, title, channel, category, publish time, views, like, dislikes and comment count. I have taken this data set from the Kaggle, a very popular site for this data set. And now we are going to see some questions and how we have read this files. We have read this file with the help of CSV reader, and then we have read this line by line and just taken this in this YouTube stats record. Of course we are using the records. Now coming back to this question, we are going to solve this 4 question. These questions are fairly easy if you know how to do a stream on maps and how to find the largest stuff, kind of a thing. Otherwise these questions, when you are trying to solve this in an interview and these pop out at the very first time, all these questions are very tough. Okay, no further ado, and let's try to solve the first question. We have to find the video which has got the most likes. So it's very simple. We have to just do a max by on the likes parameter. So okay, let me just open the YouTube stats.stream. First let me go into the presentation mode so that it is visible on your mobile as well. Now it's very simple. Max by Comparator.comparing, we are going to get a stat and then we are going to open a lambda under the comparing. How we want to basically sort this. Of course I want to sort this based on the likes and find out the maximum. Of course this is going to return me an optional, and I need to open this optional. Very simple get, and I just can get rid of this optional, and this is my answer number 1. I'm just going to print this answer and see what the result is. The result is we have this YouTube channel with this video ID. The title is YouTube Rewind, and how much likes this person has got, this video has got, is 2912710. So this is fairly easy. Now let's see the second question. Which channel has got the most views combined? So now we have to basically group the videos according to the channel and then use to find which channel has got the most views. So first of all we need to group the channels, and we need to basically sum the views count falling under each video. So this is a job of the Comparator.groupingBy. Let's see how we could solve this question. I'm solving the question number 2 now. Let me just drop this down. Let me open a stream on this now. That is fairly easy. Collectors.groupingBy. This is going to receive a stat on channel. Basically I'm going to group this, and now I need to pass a downstream parameter, or I will say a downstream collector, which is going to sum basically. So we need to do a sum long, and on what parameter I need to sum this? I need to sum this based on views. This is what I need to find, and if I just take this into a variable, this is a map, and now basically I need to open a entry set, open a stream on this, and just need to find the max by. And the way we are going to do this, Comparator.comparing, we have done this thousands of times now, and this is going to receive an entry, and I just want to sort this based on the value part. Of course, this is going to return me an optional. I just need to do a get to get my answer, and this is my answer number 2. And let me just print this out, answer number 2, and let me see the answer of this. Of course, T series has got the basically most views combined. If I want to do some better thing here, what I could do, I will suggest everybody to use Comparator.comparing every time. But once you really get a hack of this, how to use this thing, we have a very nifty method on the map.entry, comparing by value, and this is also going to give me a same result. And of course, this can be converted into a method reference on channel. Of course, the result is going to be the same again. So we have done this answer question number 2. Let's see how to solve question number 3 now. And what is the question number 3? Which channel has got the most views per video? It's like sometimes under a channel, suppose there are 10 videos, few videos, 1 or 2 videos may get huge number of views, they may get in millions, and others they're just getting in thousands. So if we just check the view per video, it may become less. So we would say that channel somehow few videos have worked miraculously, but some other videos have failed miserably. So we have to find a channel basically which has got decent views nearly every video. So this is the question on average. So this question is testing both your aptitude and of course it's going to check your stream syntax knowledge as well. So the question for me is quite easy. Just open a stream on this, collect, similar to the previous question, grouping by YouTube stats.channel, and I just need to pass a downstream collector dot, instead of summing I need to do an averaging lot. And on what thing I'm going to do an averaging lot? YouTube stats.views. Now I just need to open an entry set, open a stream and do a max by map.entry.comparing by value, and of course I need to open a optional here. See how quickly I am able to do this, and I could take this result in a var answer 3. I like to use var keyword. I just have a var keyword and do a lot of processing under the streams, and I do not have to change the data type of the, after every terminal operation or map operation the data type do changes. So better to use var, but only when you are very familiar with the data type, then you start using this var keyword. And I'm just going to give you an answer number 3. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is YouTube Spotlight. So this YouTube Spotlight has better views per video than the T series, who have got the most views combined. See what I'm trying to explain earlier? This is what the case is. Now the question number 4, which channel has got the most views, likes and comments together? So sometimes of course for a video under a channel, the views can be huge, but people are not liking that videos, they are not commenting on those videos, and sometimes people do comment, likes a lot. So we need to see the channel which provides videos where the people are very engaging. They not only watch, they like, they also comment on it. So let's see how to solve this kind of a question. This is also very similar to question number 2 and 3, but with some variations. We will look into this. We have a stream on this. Now of course I just do a collector.groupingBy, and as you know I need to do this on channel, and then I need to do dot summing long. Here I cannot pass any kind of a method reference. I need to pass a lambda here because I need to write some logic here. Stat dot likes plus stat dot comment count plus stat dot views. And again same thing. Suppose let me just show how we do this. I have a var answer. I will show how var helps me because I don't want to change the data type of the variable again and again. Let me open an entry set. Let me open a stream on it. Let me do a max pi and let me do a map.entry comparing by value. We are not looking into any ties here. If you want to see how to solve those ties, you have to invert the map, which I have done in my previous videos. You could look into those things. And of course I need to open the optional now. And this is my answer number 4. See, with the help of where I do not have to change again and again the data type, but I prefer when you are trying to do this very first time, try to take this into a variable name, with a proper data type. And I could print the answer number 4. Let's see the result now. The result is T series again. So this T series and the YouTube stats are very popular YouTube channel in India. Now sometimes the question could be like, I want to see a positive engaging on the video. Of course I need to do a sum of likes, comment counts and the views, but the dislike factor I want to minus it out here, because dislike is like it's a negative engaging of the audience. So let's see what the result with this, whether the T series wins again or some other channel pops out who are getting less dislikes. No, we are still in the T series world. So T series video get the most views, most likes, most comments and less dislikes. So I think so this T series is a wonderful YouTube channel to watch in India. I think so we have solved all the questions. For me these are easy, but according to the person who is trying to solve this problem, it may be tough, it may be easy. Thank you for watching this, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share to all your Java friends who love these stream worlds very much. Thank you so much.